Hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Om Shanti Textile. He's an exclusive manufacturer of saris. You will get nighties, kurtis. This comes in a street called Honurappa Lane, Siddhana Lane, near Juma Masjid Cross, near James Cross. It comes in a complex called Sudarshan Mansion in 5th floor. So and the Google Maps is there in description below. So I'm just showing you the landmark. I'm standing in this Juma Masjid Cross. So the landmark is this Anjaneya Temple Street. You can just see this is a landmark. There is a temple. So when you come here, just go a little bit further and his outlet is going to come. So when you come little bit down, you can just see this is the first left from that circle. This is the first left. So you have to go inside this street. And so when you come little bit further, you can just check. This is that complex, and in this complex, Om Shanti Textile is there. You can just see this is the address. And in this complex, you have to go in 5th floor. This is the entrance. Like this, you have to go here. There is lift option, there is staircase option. You can go by lift. You have to go in 5th floor. You can just see. So this is outlet. You can just have a look. Om Shanti Textile, exclusive manufacturer of saris. Total 5 floor. And their YouTube channel link, Google Maps, all their social media link, website is in description below. You can go to their website also, purchase directly. All the details are there in description below. You can directly go there and you will be getting regular updates. Right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Anand. Hi Mr. Anand, welcome to my show, sir.
Hi sir, how
are
you?
I'm very good. Sir, tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get over here, sir?
So we get, we are manufacturers from Bangalore.
Okay.
It's all our own units.
Okay.
So we don't buy from anybody else. So it is like we manufacture and we sell it around the world.
Okay.
Even you can buy one sari also online.
Okay.
So on the screen there will be 2 numbers.
Okay.
You can just send hi WhatsApp. You'll get everything on your mobile.
And what and all you'll get in your outlet, sir?
You get everything for a woman.
Okay.
Like saris, lehengas, blouses, nighties, everything. Kurtis, dresses, nighties. What all you want, you will get it on a manufacturing cost.
Your product goes, sir?
Around the world it goes. I am very famous on YouTube and everything.
Okay.
So I am selling my products on the competitive rates.
Okay.
So my margins are very less. So we work Monday to Saturday.
Okay.
On
timing, sir?
Close.
Timings?
Timing 10:30 to 7.
And sir, what do you want to tell about the QR code?
See, this is our visiting card.
Okay.
So in this there is one QR code.
Okay.
So you click on this, you will get connected to our website.
Just scan this QR code.
Yeah.
You will directly go to the website and you can purchase over there also.
Purchase there also.
Okay.
You can see our products, what has come to our store today morning at 10:30.
Okay. Latest update.
Shoot and update in the website.
Okay, sir. So right now, what you are going to show, sir?
See, these all saris. We all make chapa saris, tussers, raw silks and all.
Okay.
Sorry, it's in the pure silk. It costs 40,000, 35,000.
Okay.
So we get the saris, we get it done in our looms.
Okay.
So I've got about 6,000 looms.
Okay.
So all rapiers.
Okay.
So these all we sell it from 950
to
2,600.
Okay.
Which is in the market, it is being sold for 14,000, 15,000.
Okay.
You can have, see this type of beautiful on. And we are giving a website link also.
Okay.
You can have in that. See,
okay.
It's like a big mall.
Very big mall.
Very big mall.
How much, sir? Here, 30,000, 40,000 saris will be there?
No, nearly 5 lakh saris.
5 lakh saris.
Yeah.
Wow.
5 lakh huge. Saris with the ready stock.
Okay.
If you want to have uniform saris, we will make and give.
What and all types of saris will get, sir? Cotton?
Everything.
Okay.
Pure silk, cotton, raw silk, tussar, munga, chapa.
Okay.
All Kanjivaram, Dharmavaram.
And what is the starting lowest price, sir, here?
Our saris starts from unbelievable. It's only 125 rupees.
Wow.
To 20,000, 30,000. We sell lehengas also. Petticoat, blouses, ready blouses, pant shirt piece.
Leggings, everything.
Legging, kurtis, plazos. I am selling a plazo for 125.
Okay.
I am selling a legging for 115.
Okay, 115.
Ankles for 175.
Okay.
5% GST will be.
And would you like to show anything more, sir, that side?
Lots. What can I show? There are 10,000 products in my store.
So if you're in business, you want to start a new business of saris or women's wear, come here.
Yeah, they can come down and have a look. See, these all mercerized cotton.
Nice.
Lots.
Of people.
You can see my store.
Unbelievable store. This is like a supermarket. This is like a mall. This is a garment mall for ladies and all.
Mall and everything you get.
Okay.
See these softies. I am selling it for 170, only 750.
Nice.
In retail outlet, it is sold for 2,500-3,000.
Okay.
So we sell this type of nighties,
okay,
which cost only 140.
Wow. What size to what size will get, sir?
Yeah, all the sizes.
Okay.
And upon that, our 5% GST will be there.
Okay.
Above 1,000 stitch garment, 12% GST will be there.
Okay.
Without GST, we won't do business.
In nighty, how much collections you must be having, sir?
I've got about 5,000 designs.
Wow. So now the few more samples in the nighties, you can just have a look.
Like I've got about 5,000 designs. All this
It,
products.
Okay.
Okay, it's all starts from 150 to up to 1,000 rupees also it goes.
Okay.
And it is all manufactured by our own stitching machines.
Okay.
And good quality we give, color guarantee.
Okay.
Everything will be there.
In this, what and all fabric will get, sir?
Cottons, malmal.
Okay.
Everything, tussers, raw silk.
Okay.
Different type of fabric, home washable.
Okay.
See this type.
Nice.
Beautiful nighties.
So if people want 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 piece,
yeah. I can make it and give on orders, no problem.
Very nice.
Like this, lots.
Okay.
It's like
these are just few samples.
Yeah, it's a wedding mall, saree mall type,
Very nice.
Like everything is available in one store with a reasonable rates.
This is one of the biggest garment ladies complex in Bangalore.
Bangalore. You can say South India also.
South India, okay.
Yeah, like it's a manufacturing.
Okay, he's a manufacturer.
Manufacturer. So you are coming to manufacturer directly.
Very nice.
And you can start your own business with our products.
And you can see the customers also behind, so many customers.
Full.
Today is Monday. If you come Saturday, Sunday, there will be no place.
No place to stand also.
And this is also
Today
one more.
also
Just see.
Excellent.
Nice. Very nice collections.
Beautiful products we are selling online.
We'll get that for pregnant lady also, sir.
Everybody.
Breastfeeding.
Breastfeeding also you get everything.
Cool.
Just we are showing some samples.
And these are the last sample of the nighties because you can just see the outlet only. Everything is having.
See, this is all ikkar, Pochampalli sarees.
Okay.
It's all with blouse sarees like this it will be.
Okay.
It's only 450.
Okay.
The range starts from 350 here.
Okay.
Lot of matka sarees are there. They're all 450.
Okay.
Lot of these all Kanjivarams. So in the pure silk it will cost 1 lakh rupee.
Okay.
In our store it costs 2,950.
Nice.
Like that. Lots of products. Like this is saree mall.
Okay.
See, this is only 990.
Nice.
In outside they sell it for 6,000. Like that. See this beautiful sarees.
Okay.
1,950 like this. All handloom type sarees. Lots. You can have a look. See this. Such a big store. You won't get this all. These all things are 350.
Okay.
All 125, 150. Like that. See, these all weaving items.
Okay.
Like this, lot of products are available. See, you can have a look this.
Okay.
Correct? No, these are chapas, embossed. So see this all
temple sarees.
Temple sarees,
Okay. Nice.
If you go to Arni, Kanjivaram, this will cost more.
Okay.
But it's all our own production. We manufacture ourselves.
And this collection keeps getting updated in how many days,
Every day.
Every day.
I've got my own industry. That's why I'm giving you my web connection.
Okay.
So you can click on it and have a look what is uploaded. See, it's only 130 rupees.
Okay. Cool.
130.
Very nice.
So like that, you can have a look here also. You can come to my cabin where I'm sitting. There also sarees are there. See,
there is no place left.
No place. Like ikkats, all this. Cool. So this starts at 950, ends at 1,950.
One place for everything.
Everything. See, we are sitting. It's our cabin.
Okay.
So you can have a look of all this. We are selling this dhotis.
Dhotis also.
All this wedding dhotis. Like this. We are selling shirt pant piece also.
Okay.
125 rupees. We are selling a shirt piece.
Okay.
Like this. All this beautiful own products. So like this, lots, towels, we are selling towels also.
Okay, towels, what is the starting price, sir?
70 rupees, 80 rupees, 30 rupees, 60 rupees.
So in this also, lot of stocks.
Lots. Okay. It's just, and we got
glimpse, this is a glimpse.
Glimpse, godans, every day uploading will be there.
Okay.
Correct, no? So we are selling lehengas and we are selling some saris.
Okay.
Like this. In pure silk, it costs 69,000.
Okay.
So we are selling for 2,600.
It's
genuine. See,
I don't think so. I've seen any outlet as big as this in Bangalore. Very big. This is like one of the biggest in South India. For saris, for ladies wear.
We are selling this sari for 1250.
Nice.
This is all pure silk.
Okay.
See this. These all gagras.
All nice.
We are selling for 5,000, 7,000. In the market, in the retail, they sell it for 70.
So right from basic range, mid range, high range, all types of saris you will get.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
All.
Okay.
See, these all patanis,
This is like a State Bank of sarees, sir.
Sarees, you know. Like
very nice.
1,45,000 if pure, we sell it for 5,000.
Cool.
You might have seen this Kanjivaram. See this?
Nice.
It's like a huge shop, you know, like.
Huge, very huge.
Very huge, you know.
No
like,
person will go empty hand.
And you can have a look and go. Nobody will question you whether you have to buy this or buy that.
Retail, wholesale, both is there.
Everything, manufacturing rate will give.
Nice, very nice.
See,
cool.
This is all 2 lakh rupees saree, we sell it for 6,000. It's all manufactured in that way, you know. Like.
Okay, sir. So what about this section? What is this section?
Also, it's actually 6th floor.
Okay.
You will see our way of working.
Huge.
Huge it is.
One of the biggest in South India for sarees, for ladies wear.
These are digital, we sell it for 400, 350.
Nice. So lot of varieties are there. You can just have a look for sarees, for nighties.
We are selling these linens for 550.
Nice.
Lots. You can have a look.
Just check the stock. If you want to start a business of sarees, you can come here. All the details is in description below. And if you want to start you into existing business, you can come check. They export also to a lot of countries and all. And what about this and also?
All these all 400, 500, 600.
Like all other customers, you can just check the popularity of the outlet. These are just few. They are daily like this, thousands in numbers and all. So this one floor and right opposite to this is also yours only, though, sir? Yeah. This is also Om Shanti Textile. Yeah, you can just have a look.
Is mine. See, this is the dispatching.
Okay, so this many orders, you can just see how many customers are ordering. Like this, daily, lot of bundles are there which goes for orders. Yeah. And just check the varieties and the stock. Very great opportunity for you. This kind of videos comes once in 20, 30 times. So you can just see the stock again. Lovely, yeah. You should definitely visit here. One of the biggest, like just see the sarees and all. If you come here, you will not go empty hand. That is for sure. And you earn good money, then it's up to you.
This saree we are selling for only 400.
Nice.
400 only. Nice. Like this you get for 125 starts.
So what about this floor? Your floor is not ending only.
Kurtis.
Okay.
You know, all things, leggings, everything. You know, the kurti starts at 150 rupees.
150, okay.
Yeah, like this. And
how much collection will get, sir, in kurtis? Like
10,000 products are there.
Okay.
What you want? We are updating you on the website also. See, this is the medium range.
Nice.
Okay.
Wow. Just see the varieties again. Very huge. He's a manufacturer, so that's the reason his outlet is like this. Very top manufacturer.
160 rupees we are selling.
Okay, just 160.
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice.
160 and there is one without blouse 125.
Okay.
See this rate.
Everything is written over here. So you can come, you can just pick and go for the billing directly.
Like that.
Just like how it is in the malls and all, it's the same concept.
Lot of products.
Nice.
It's like, you know, you will forget.
Ocean, this is ocean.
Ocean. And we sell t-shirts.
Okay.
We sell jeans also for 300, 400.
Okay. Cool.
Our t-shirts are 250.
Okay.
Like that, you know, shirts are for 375.
Okay.
All branded shirts.
Okay. And you can just see blouse also you'll get, saris also you'll get, nighties
saris,
also.
Ready blouses are there.
Okay. Very nice. Just see the stock again.
See, this is 150, 200 rupees blouses.
Okay. In this, what is the starting price, sir?
150.
150. Yeah. And how much collection will get in blouse, sir?
We get up to 500, 600.
Okay.
Lots of, see, the prices are put here.
Okay. Everything is clearly written.
Yeah.
So you can come pick and go for the billing.
Come,
nice.
We'll go for
okay, sir.
section. Like that, floor wise it is, you know. Big
everything is well organized.
Yeah, well organized, and all our sales girls are very nice.
Very huge. Like when I came, I did not knew that it's so big,
see,
but it's like
sarees.
Okay. Wow.
So all these Georgettes.
Okay.
1,250.
Nice.
All reasonable rate, you know. Like you can come, pick yourself. It's your shop.
You're like the king of the sarees.
Yeah. Like it's not. I mean, no tension here. You know, you come, you don't like, no problem. You know, nobody will question you.
But you have so many varieties. And it keeps updating. New collection all keeps updating.
Tops and bottom.
Okay.
These are all kurtis.
Okay.
Which are 150, 125.
Okay.
Like that, lots of products are there, you know, like.
So what and all types of kurtis you'll get, like alia cut, umbrella cut?
Umbrella cut, everything is, you know, what you want we can get. You know, like, see, this is all medium range.
Okay.
Beautiful kurti.
In this 1,000 varieties you'll be having, sir?
More than that, sir.
Okay.
You can have a look like this.
Kurti set also you'll get
kurti
here.
Sets,
if you want kurti, you can buy kurtis also. Kurti set also you'll get.
All reasonable rate, our own manufacturing.
Cool.
See, these are all the kurtis, you know.
Wow, nice.
See, like this.
Okay.
Rate wise we are giving. See, you can have a look.
Short kurtis.
Short kurtis.
Okay.
Tops.
This is starting price is what, sir?
150, 200. All reasonable rate.
Okay.
Even
this all is wholesale price.
Wholesale manufacturing
price.
See,
Okay.
Set.
Okay.
So this set will cost 300, 350, 325.
And what about this, sir?
This also all 350.
Okay.
400.
Full
Variety,
set.
Full
Like
set.
in this, how much collection will you get, sir?
Lots.
Like 1,500?
More than that, thousands. Like.
Okay, like this half kurta and pant also will get here. This is also there.
Everything, kurtis, lehengas, like this kind of kurtis you will get. See.
Okay.
Lots, keep coming.
Nice.
Everything is, everyday stock is added.
So before I wind up, I just want to tell that this is a massive, huge saris, ladies garment studio. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love their collections. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.